Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It's so nice to see you again. Thank you for joining me. So real quick, I'm in glasses today, obviously. We are in full-blown allergy season here, so I have a harder time wearing my contacts in this time of year. And they are transition lenses, so I can see there's a tint already. And I'm hoping they don't go darker than this, because I do want you to be able to see my eyes when I'm talking to you. I want you to see my eyes. I think it's rude when you can't see, you can't see somebody's eyes when they're talking to you. That's just my opinion, but I hope they don't go darker. I don't think they will, because it's not full-blown very bright right now, but in case they do, I do apologize ahead of time. It's so beautiful here. I live 20 minutes outside of Cleveland, Ohio. We are in full-blown allergy season. It's fall. The leaves have turned, are turning. They're falling. I love the smells. I love how pretty everything looks. But again, it's it's starting to get crazy weather here in Cleveland. I mean, we are 90 today, and in 2 days, I think we're going to be down in the 60s, and I think it's going lower. Everybody starts getting sick, including me, so it's just, I love this time of year, but it has its challenges with sinuses. At least for me it does, and some other people I know. But anyhow, I just want to let you know about my glasses in case they go dark. Hopefully they will not. So I wanted to share with you my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer and what I think about the new formulation. Now, I've been wearing Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer for probably over 20 years. I don't wear foundation. I don't like it. I've always been a tinted moisturizer lover, and this has always been an absolute favorite of mine, and I've purchased it over and over and over again. The old tinted moisturizer had skincare benefits, but what she did was amped up the skincare benefits, and it went from a 20 SPF to a 30, which is fantastic. So I'm going to read to you what skincare benefits are in here, and I'm going to tell you what I think. Now, it's a 1.7 ounce. It is $47, so it is a little pricey, but a little goes a long way. Tinted moisturizer used for two reasons. One is for the moisture. As I've gotten older, my skin's gotten drier, so it's even more important that I moisturize. And even before I even stick a tinted moisturizer of any kind on my face, I always use my serums. I always use my creams. I mean, I think moisture equals dewy, healthy, glowy looking skin. So I up the moisture factor. I hope you do too. It's so important. Even if you have oily skin, you still need some moisture to your skin. And I'm not even talking just face. I mean like your body, neck, hands, legs, everything. I really am all about moisture. So I used a tinted moisturizer for the moisture, and then I also used a tinted moisture for a little bit of a tint to just give my face a nice glow. In the old, her old or original formula, I was a sand, and in this one I'm a bisque. Now, if you go on our website, she'll tell you if you wore the old formulation what you should wear in the new one, and it is a pretty darn good match for my skin. If you can see this, I don't even know if you can see it, it's that good of a match. Even though my face is a little lighter than my hands, it blends like a dream. It goes right in, and you just feel like you're wearing nothing, which is another reason why I love tinted moisturizer. It's not heavy, it doesn't get cakey. Even if it wears down, it wears kind of like a moisturizer would. It never looks streaky. I never see oxidation. It never gets patchy for me. Let me just read what she says. So what she added is macadamia and kukui seed oil. It's supposed to support healthy skin function. It's tamarind or tamarind seed extract to lock in the moisture and give enhanced antioxidant protection. Silica treated pigments for soft focus, glycerin to soften fine lines and revitalize hydration, and glycerin does do that. Vitamins C and E to protect the skin from environmental aggressors, and again, it's a broad spectrum, SPF of 30, UVA, UVB. I just love it. I notice no difference. This might actually be a little even more moisturizing to me, and it is just a fantastic tinted moisturizer. So if you're in the market for one, and you're looking or you're curious, you've never tried it, it's a wonderful moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. And again, it is a little pricey, but a little goes a long way. I don't use a lot. I put it on, again, I put on my serums, my creams. I let those sit for as long as possible. Then I go in and I put this on with my hands, and then I buff it out with a damp sponge. There's not a lot to buff out, obviously, but that's good because that doesn't sit on the skin. It doesn't enhance enhance the fine lines, and it just gives you a nice, dewy, healthy glow. I have it on right now, and I just really like this. It's very, very nice. So if you're in the market, you're curious, I think you would really enjoy this. There's some sales you could find. It depends. I think she has some. If you sign up on her website, you get 15% off of your first purchase. But again, I know it's pricey, but a little goes a long way. But I just love this. I really do. So that's all for today, guys. I just wanted to share this with you. I have some empties. I'm going to come back in the next bit here for you. And then I have a collaboration with three other lovely ladies. So that's going to be fun. So until then, I hope you guys are doing well. Hey, look at my plant back there. I don't know the name of this plant. If you plant lovers, if you know the name of this plant, let me know. I have had this plant, you're not going to believe me, for over 20 years. It's like my buddy. I've depotted this thing twice. It probably needed it to be depotted even more than twice in 20 years. I've, clipped the vines down. But this sucker keeps growing and growing. I just love it. Like I said, it's like my little buddy. My husband and I are just amazed at how much this has grown and continues to grow. And it obviously loves the light. But I don't know what kind of plant this is. So again, if you know what type of plant this is, I don't know if you can see that well or not, let me know. But look at her. Or him. I don't know. It's fantastic. Just love it. Anyhow, okay guys. I'll see you soon. Hope your weather's doing well, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for putting up with my glasses. It looks like it did okay. Again, I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys. Bye.